In this video, we're going to show you how to fix the stuttering issue on Counter-Strike 2, right? So most of the time, it's going to be a performance or video settings issue with Counter-Strike 2 and stuttering or lagging in-game. So you need to fix in-game graphic settings, which is most of the time set too high. So shader detail should be low, motion blur should be disabled, global shadow quality should be low or very low, multi-sampling anti-aliasing mode is none, FXAA anti-aliasing should be disabled. Wait for vertical sync should also be disabled. Particle detail should be low. Ambient occlusion should be disabled. The high dynamic range option should be in performance. And Fidelity FX super resolution should be also disabled. So those are the things that you can do to remedy the lag or stuttering in game in Counter-Strike 2. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you like it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.